Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Sorry.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. ମୋର ଟିକେ actually from my side ଟିକେ ମୋର late ହେଇଗଲା actually ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ନଥିଲି sudden ଗୋଟେ କାମ ପଇଲା ତ sudden ଯିବାକୁ ଟିକେ ପଡିଗଲା Just give me 1 minute, only 1 minute. Okay, so we will start. हाँ नीलन पठे दीजिए टंका 500 पड़ता तो दे दो Okay, so so today we will start what is artificial intelligence. So again I am repeating whatever I have been repeating that statement. So before entering into the machine learning, so whatever the libraries that we covered, again you what recall, again you do the practice more and more, because why I am saying any time when we are using or when we are doing the project using machine learning, that library always we will use. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence? If you will go to so ceylontutorial.com, so here I have written some theoretical points. So what is machine learning and what is artificial intelligence? So here I have written all these things. Okay, so it is a concept of 1970s 70s 80s concept. This is not the today's concept. So at that time, so many mathematician, so many statistics research person, so they are what innovating, they are already at that moment they had provided this concept. So what is this artificial intelligence concept and how the concept of artificial intelligence widely used nowadays in every segment, not only in our era, in all over world, in all over world. If you will focus any segment, bank, industry, retail industry, automobile industry, IT industry, solution based industry, medical industry, any industry. If you will focus nowadays, every research person, every developer using the concept of artificial intelligence. So what is that? Okay, so artificially we will what develop a model. Artificially we will create a machine. Artificially we will generate a machine. Okay, point number one. Then then a question may arise how we will create a machine. Many people just before corona, I mean 2 years before, uh, I have faced many questions from Hyderabad and Bangalore. So many students, so many professors, they are asking and they are thinking what machine learning means. Machine means we have to develop a machine like a robot, like IoT concept. There are some hardware devices, some wear and some sensor. So every maximum people are thinking about in that way, but that type of concept is not available here. So here, so through the application phenomenon, so we will create a model. We will see when we will enter into one algorithm of machine learning, we will see what is a model and how I will create a model and that model considering as machine. Okay, so artificial intelligence, it is, you can say it is a one branch of computer science. So which deals what? Now artificially we will create a model, and we once the model we are creating, then we will train our model. We will train our model. So why we are giving the training to our model? Because once the model is fit, once the model became intelligent, then whatever we have the task, listen, suppose particularly this concept coming to the picture to resolving many complex tasks, many complex tasks. Okay, suppose 100 number of records manually I can check. Suppose one example, bank provided data. Okay, lakhs, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs of data, customer information bank provided. Then bank will, suppose you are the engineer, artificial intelligence engineer, then bank will what, tell you analyze which customer eligible for getting a loan or which customer not eligible for getting a loan. But physically, manually, it is not practically possible 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs customer in by taking 5 lakhs customer information you will analyze your salary, your IT file return, your if you have credit card, how the credit card you are maintaining, your residence. So by taking everything, your age value and your what, whether you are male or female. So by taking some features, you are what, analyzing whether that person is eligible, is able to get a loan or not. But 100 or 200 customer manually, physically we can analyze, but 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs customer information, it is not practically possible. So that's why we need the concept of, we need what, the requirement of the help of the concept of artificial intelligence prediction. So once the model is becoming intelligent, once the model became fit, then model will predict. So this person is able to get a loan or not, this person is able to purchase a car or not, that candidate having a diabetes or this candidate having diabetes or not. So prediction, it is one era, it is one era of artificial intelligence. Okay, suppose I will tell image classification. Suppose I will tell what what every human being, we all are human being. So in our brain, we have a neural network. So every day, in general, we are gossiping. Oh, his brain is super. Her brain is super because he is the topper. She is the topper. She is securing. So here, her brain is super, super brain. We are saying in general in the term of gossiping. How? So every brain in our brain there is a neural network. So today you type in Google neural network, so you can see what is a neural network. It is a network means consisting some layers, input layer, hidden layer, output layer, and all are consisting some neurons. Each neuron are connecting with each other. Suppose in electron we will cover neural network. Suppose I will tell you create a neural network. Then once you create a neural network, then whatever you have the task, so this neural network you create, or and through that neural network whatever you have the task, your task will be resolved. Your tedious task, your complex task will be resolved. But nowadays it is very easy, only due to the concept of artificial intelligence. With the help of Python libraries, happily within a one line of code, we can generate, we can create a neural network. So through the neural network, we can resolve image classification problems. Nowadays, everybody using smart mobile phone. Everybody using smartphone. Nowadays, suppose you open, suppose Google, and you are saying, "Hello Google, open YouTube," then automatically YouTube is opening. So how you are not typing something, just you are saying, hello Google, open YouTube, open Facebook, then it is opening. So this is a concept of a natural language processing, NLP. So it is an application era of artificial intelligence. So if I will explain, if I will give the example where the concept of artificial intelligence implementing in the different era, then it will take minimum 3 to 4 hours. Agriculture, crop prediction we will do. So which type of crop I will what nowadays I will do, then it will be beneficiary for me. Now it is a rainy season. Now the what priority of soil is the, how this is by taking some pictures we will predict which crop I will do. It will be benefit for me, it will be advantageous for me. This is the one of the concept of artificial intelligence. So image classification, object detection in motion video, natural language processing, then loan prediction, car purchase prediction, crop prediction, lots of things, house price prediction, uh, iris flower, whether that flower we will classify, it will be setosa or versicolor or virginica. Lots of examples. 50 currently we have done 52 numbers of projects. Currently this is just 1 2 months before we have given to a college. Okay, so very beautiful concept. And if you will, so if anybody will build your career in the form of AI and ML, MSc, so yesterday actually we had given an advertisement. I am thinking that we will bring a course in MSc in AI and ML. So it is a very what currently hot topic, because in the form of job prospectus point of view. And if I will predict after 40 years, after 30 years or after 40 years, till 30 years, 40 years, the entire world will be moved on by taking this concept, that is artificial intelligence. Election management, that is also nowadays it is happening with the help of artificial intelligence. So artificially, whatever we are creating a model, that model is becoming intelligent. How? Now, after generating the model is trained. Once the model is trained, we are saying model is becoming intelligent. Once the model became intelligent, then the model predicting whatever we have the task, accordingly the model is predicting, not accurate answer, prediction answer. Then we will find what is the accuracy score, how much accurate, the result the model is providing. So what is the percentage of accuracy? So 100%, 96%, or 90, above 90%, then it's okay. And if you will give the result to a client at least minimum 95% above your accuracy score is, then the client will accept your application. Clear? I hope everybody the clarity what is artificial intelligence. Give a response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's why I have written this part. So AI is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. Some of the activities of computers with AI are speech recognition, image classification, NLP, etc. Okay, so you remember, so it is an area, it is a branch of computer science where we are creating a model artificially. And so once the model is creating, that model basically considering as a machine. So after creation of a model and the model is trained, we are giving the training. So that means the model is becoming fit. That means model became intelligent. Okay. Artificially, we are what generating a model. Artificially, model is becoming intelligent. So that's why the term is coming. The term came artificial intelligence. And once the model is intelligent, then the model is ready to predict, to resolve our task. Whatever we have the tedious task, whatever we have the complex task, the model is resolving. Then machine learning, then I will tell how I will achieve artificial intelligence, how I will perform artificial intelligence. Then machine learning and deep learning are two techniques. Machine learning is one technique and deep learning is one technique, or you can say machine learning is one approach, deep learning is one approach. That approach, that technique we will use to achieve artificial intelligence. So our first task is we have to learn machine learning, because machine learning is an approach or it is a technique to achieve artificial intelligence. So from this figure, so we can say, we can observe deep learning is a subset of machine learning, or we can say machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So that part I have written here. So what is machine learning? So machine learning is the science of making computers learn and act like humans by feeding data and information without being explicitly programmed. What is the meaning? So three type of definition here. Here I have presented, I have written. Machine learning is the scientific study of algorithms and statistical models that computer systems use to perform a specific task without using explicit instructions or relying on patterns. I will explain whatever I am saying. And inference instead, it is an exciting branch of artificial intelligence. Or third point definition I have written, machine learning is an application of AI that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. So what is the meaning of this line? Without being explicitly programmed. That means we will enter into machine learning project, or when we will enter into the algorithm. So one line, it is not a program, but one line of code I will write, because algorithm means step by step. So step number one, import libraries. So I wrote import pandas as PD, numpy as NP. Now I will hit run. So then step number 2, create a data frame. So for creating a data frame, we are writing df equals to pd.read_csv. That means one line of code I will write, then I will hit run. Then I will get the output. Then after getting output, I will go to the next step. But this is not a program. This is a line by line of code. One line of code we are writing, then we are executing, then getting output, then we are going to the next line. So that is called as without explicitly being programmed. Programmed means there is a structure, there is a group of statements within under a block. There is a function definition or there is a class presentation. So there is a structure. Okay, so machine learning, the concept is saying what? So by taking the data, I have written by feeding data and information. That means a data set is given. Okay, so by taking the data set, okay, we will process the data, analyze the data. Then when we will create a model, when the model is becoming intelligent, so by taking the data, the model will give the prediction whatever we have the task according to our problem task. Clear? So overall, you remember machine learning is a technique to achieve artificial intelligence. So give a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So artificial intelligence and machine learning. In machine learning, there are there are three types of machine learning. Okay, there are three types of machine learning. One is supervised machine learning, and another is unsupervised machine learning. Another is reinforcement machine learning. So there are three types of machine learning. There are three types of machine learning. One is supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and another is reinforcement machine learning. Supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and another is reinforcement machine learning. Okay. So first we will cover what is supervised machine learning. Then before going to supervised machine learning, so some basic terminologies that we have to know. So what is independent variable? Independent variable denoted by uppercase X. What is dependent variable? What is dependent variable denoted by lowercase y? What is numerical value? And what is categorical value? So these four terminologies is very important. It is basic terminology, but we have to know before starting the concept of supervised machine learning. Independent variable. Currently, it is raining. ବର୍ଷା ହଉଛି ସେ କଣ ତୁମ ପଚାରିକିରି ହବ ତେଣୁ ବର୍ଷା ହବାଟା ହଉଛି ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଭେରିଏବଲ କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ଷା ହେଲେ ଚାଷ ହବ ଚାଷୀ ଅନେଇ ବସିଥିବ କେତେବେଳେ ବର୍ଷା ହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଚାଷ କରିବି ତ ଚାଷ ହବାଟା ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ବର୍ଷା ହବାଟା ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ I hope everybody got the clarity. But in our context, particularly in the concept of machine learning, independent variable is input variable. That means a data set is given. That data set we are bringing to our environment in the form of a data frame. Then data frame means it is nothing but a table, row and column. So column value one in a data frame, one column or more than one column value we will consider as input. Here give a response. Independent variable means input variable. I have written all these things. You today you read ceylontutorial.com this part. What is independent variable and what is a dependent variable? Okay, so independent variable denoted by uppercase X. Independent variable that is also called as input variable. Input. So by taking supervised machine learning concept is by taking the value of X, if we predict the value of Y, that is called as supervised machine learning. Y means what? Dependent variable. In our context, in our machine learning context, dependent variable means output variable, that is our target variable. Okay, target variable always you remember that is one column value, but input variable may be one column value or more than one column value.